Hey, what's up you guys? It's me, Courtney. Welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be video 2 in my New Year No Buy series. In the entire year of 2019, I'm going on a strict makeup no buy. If you want to see my reasons behind and my rules that I have associated with this no buy, please check out my first video. I'll link that down below. Briefly mentioned in my last video, I went through my makeup collection after I did my declutter. I counted everything and I added up how much I personally spent on these items. I wrote these numbers down on the 26th, so my numbers are not going to be accurate right now. I know that for a fact. It's my birthday month, so Ulta has really good sales right now, so I placed some orders. I got like a bunch of gifts with purchases. I plan on checking in every quarter on my progress on how I'm doing, so these numbers will be a little bit more accurate in my second video, so I'm sorry guys, I'm not going to go through and refix everything right now. And this is just kind of laid out in a sense of how it makes sense to me. So I kind of put them in like sections of how I put them on my face for the most part. We're just going to go ahead and jump into, I'm going to put the little charts right here so you can follow along with me. So first things first, I have makeup tools. I have 11 items. I have 2 eyeliner sharpeners, 5 tweezers, 1 lash curler, 1 brow scissors, 2 little brush wash pads, like the things with the ridges on them so they can clean inside your brushes. I have 30 sponges, of which 24 of those are little cosmetic wedges from the dollar store. I have 13 random makeup samples, and by makeup samples, I don't necessarily mean like the minis or trial size. What I mean by samples are these little like cards that you get sometimes with your Ulta orders. Then I have 7 different types of makeup removers. I have 71 brushes. That's a lot. You might have noticed that I did not go through my brushes when I did my makeup declutter. And the reason behind that is because I have so many brushes, so I don't remember how they perform. So what I'm gonna go do is I'm gonna move through my brushes, use them, kind of get a good idea on them, what I want, what I don't want, and I'll do a declutter probably in a couple months or so. I have 3 brush cleaners. Those are just these daily brush cleaner sprays. I have 4 different types of setting sprays, 7 face primers. Also, some of these things I have is like minis, like for example, how in my project pan I have this mini. I have 9 foundations, 2 tinted moisturizers, 4 concealers, 2 powder foundations, 2 powders, 2 setting powders. One of those is more like a baking powder, 1 cream contour, 1 contour palette. And this is where it kind of got a little bit confusing because in some of the palettes that I have, they have multiple things. I counted the palette as a whole and then I put a little subcategory, which will also total up at the bottom of what's inside of it. So in that contour palette, I have 2 bronzers and 2 highlighters. Then I have 2 bronzer singles, 11 blush singles, 2 blush palettes. I have 6 blushes, 2 bronzers, and 4 highlighters in that palette. I have 7 liquid or cream highlighters. I have 12 highlighter singles that are powders. I have 4 highlighter palettes, and combined highlighters inside those palettes are 23 highlighters. I have 1 brow pencil. I have 3 brow pomades. I have 3 brow powders, 7 brow gels, 3 eyeshadow primers. I have 1 glitter glue, 3 glitters. 1 is like strict straight up glitter. The other 2 are those little Wet n Wild singles that are kind of like creamy textured, but I just use those as glitter, more so like a topper. 1 eyeshadow single, 1 cream eyeshadow, liquid eyeshadow, that one from Wet n Wild that was in my eyeshadow video. I have 31 eyeshadow palettes, and in those eyeshadow palettes are a total of 313 eyeshadows, 4 blushes, 7 bronzers, and 16 highlighters. I have 13 mascaras, 6 felt eyeliners, not necessarily just felt, but like the ones with the brush tip applicators, 10 pencil eyeliners, 4 gel eyeliners, 8 lashes, 2 lash glues, 1 chapstick, 9 lip liners, 51 liquid lipsticks, 27 bullet lipsticks, and 30 lip glosses. So I have a total of 425 items, but that's not including the individual items. The individual items, including everything in those palettes, are a total of 732 items, approximately. It's a lot. Now, the little subcategories: 319 eyeshadows, 21 blushes, 13 bronzers, 65 highlighters, and 114 lip products. So yeah, I think a no buy is really up my alley right now because I cannot add anything more to this collection. That's insane. Oh my god. First of all, tell me, which category shocked you the most? I knew I had a lot of eyeshadows, but I did not know I had that many lip products. And the highlighters honestly shocked me too. Like, I thought that I only had like 10. I have 65. As far as the cost associated with them, I kind of broke those up into categories as well. I have these little charts here. Now you'll notice that some of them are different colors and some of them are underlined. So what the underline means is I kind of put them into subcategories, kind of within the categories. So now all the items in black are BoxyCharm, because you know, BoxyCharm boxes are black. I'm so creative. Things in pink are Ipsy. Red means I have no fucking idea what I paid for it. It's like a rough guesstimate. The things in green are what I had prior to my whole craziness blackout. These are things that I've had honestly for a while now, like longer than I'm ashamed to admit. So I really don't remember when I bought them, if I bought them, if they were gifted to me, how much I paid for them. So some of them are just marked as 0 because, I mean, I guess I paid for them, but they're sold in my collection. The dollar amount kind of doesn't matter to me right now. And then also some things in parentheses, they either say free or GWP, which means gift with purchase. Those I just put at $0. Now, when I marked these things down for their cost, I marked down how much I personally paid for them, or a rough guesstimate. Not necessarily their retail value. Their retail value I might do on my next video, which will be in like March. Quick note, my BoxyCharm and my Ipsy items, what I did was I took the value of the box, like how much I paid for it. BoxyCharm I paid for a year in advance. I think it was around like $19. I don't remember off the top of my head. And I divided it by how many items were in that box that month. Sometimes there were 5 items, sometimes there were 6. That's how I calculated those numbers. Same with the Ipsy. I only had Ipsy for 1 month and they actually gave me like an extra item for free. I think it was by accident. Enough rambling. Let's get into the cost of everything. Eyeshadow section. Singles at the top, palettes at the bottom. $354.49 total. Eye primers, $29.89. And my mascara categories. Mascaras, you'll notice some of these are marked as a penny because it's my birthday month and they had a mascara for my birthday gift. And so they ring it up, and I guess with the barcode it has to charge them something. But I think the girl forgot to put in the coupon code because it should have been free, so I don't know how that works. But yeah, I ended up paying a penny for each of them, which is fine. So, mascaras. $14.72. Eyeliners, I have my gels at the top, felt tip, and brushes in the middle. And then pencils on the bottom, total $59.67. Highlighters, I have palettes at the top, creams and liquids in the middle, powder singles on the bottom. That is a total of $186.56. Blush, I have my palettes at the top, singles on the bottom, $106.73. Bronzers, I have 1 palette, 2 singles, and 1 contour stick. $35.20. Brows, I have pomades, powders, 1 pencil, the rest are gels. Total of $28.11. Lashes at the top, glue on the bottom, $18.39. Setting sprays, this next one here at the top, I don't remember if that second one I got for free. I know for a fact one of them was free gift with purchase, so this is again where I kind of had a little estimate. So anyway, setting sprays, total of $43.84. Base primers, I have a total of $48.05. Foundation, tinted moisturizers, and concealers, total of $60.54. My face powders, I have powder foundations, my banana powder, and then I have my powders or setting powder at the bottom. Total $71.63. My tools and cleansers, tools at the top, cleansers on the bottom, total $53.93. Brushes, the top 2 are sponges and the bottom portion is brushes. Some of them you'll see are green and red. Green because I had them for a long time, red because I don't remember how much I paid for them, but I know approximately how much I paid for them. But I still wanted to put those numbers in because, I don't know, at the time I felt like I wanted to. This, I don't know if I got all my brushes on here actually. I don't feel like checking. I guess next time I do my update I'll go through this a little bit more thoroughly. But anyways, brushes. $217.27. Lip gloss, my chapstick I put for free. I did not get it for free. Maybe I did. I think I might have stole it from my boyfriend. I don't know, but $57.61. Liquid lipsticks, I have $117.16. Lip liners, $46.41. And my bullet lipsticks are $114.90. Total is $1,665.10. Yeah, this number is shocking. And I was actually shocked. I thought it was going to be a lot more than this, but I think it's because I have so many free items and because I have so many drugstore options. And a lot of these things I actually bought on sale too on top of that. Also, some of these things I got at like TJ Maxx or Marshalls are super cheap anyways. And yeah, so that is my total makeup inventory and how much my makeup I have in my collection approximately costs. So that's it for today's video, guys. It was just strictly numbers. So I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed seeing how much I have. Let me know in the comments how much makeup you have, if you're able to even add up how much you have. Yeah, so I think this definitely confirms that I need a no-buy in 2019 because I was going back and forth between the idea, and this definitely solidifies the fact that I need to because I have too much stuff. And it's not even necessarily about the money. It's just about the fact that I want to get my money's worth out of what I paid for. I mean, I care about the cost of things, but so I'm going to end this video here. So be sure to subscribe to my channel. I'm going to make so many more videos related to this. I never know how to end these things because I talk way too damn much. That's it. I'm just going to stop talking here. I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye.